So this is our jacket after I attached everything together and cleaned the hem and around the collar with the bias strip. And this is the inside of it. And these are our sleeves. It is pretty relaxed and cozy draped collar jacket. And this is how we finish this. Now I am going to show you on the dress form. This is our Amanda dress and it is finished, and this is the final look of it. Now I am going to bring the draped collar jacket and I'm going to try it on. This is our jacket with Amanda dress, and this is a draped collar jacket which kind of looks like a shawl collar, and it's super relaxed and cozy. And I added a black velvet belt on our Amanda dress to complete the look with black bias binding around the jacket. I really like it. I think this jacket makes the dress, it looks more modern and little less formal and little more cozy. So I hope you enjoyed this jacket as well. You can complete this look together or use it as a jacket. So that's it. See you soon. Bye.